Hello students, welcome back to your math classes. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and doing well. So students, now we have chapter number 19, which is mental mathematics. So there is a no new concept, but we have our previous concept which we have to recall in this chapter. So let's get started. The table shows the number of toys a factory made in March and April. How many less toys did the factory make in April as compared to March? So you have these two numbers, you have to get a difference between them. So 9, 6, 2, 4, 5, 8, 8, 7, 9, 5, 8, 1. So we will have to find the difference between them. 8, 9 minus 1 is 7. 5 minus 8 not possible. 15 minus 8 is 7. 3 minus 5 not possible. 13 minus 5 8. 1, 11 minus 9 is 2, 5 minus not possible, 15 minus 7 is 8. So this is the difference we have, 82,877. Next question. Mary had 1500 coins in a jar. She sorted the coins into 25 different stacks. Each stack had the same number of coins. How many coins were there in stack? So we have to find out it. So each 25. So 25, 1500. So in this, what we have to do, we have to divide 1500 by 25. So we have to take 150, which is comes at the place of 6. 0 same as it is this. So this 60 is your correct answer. Which unit could be used for measuring the amount of liquid needed to fill a small teacup? Gram, kilogram, meter or milliliter? Milliliter is right, because whenever we have to deal with capacity, we use liter, and milliliter for small teacup. Which of the following has exactly 8 vertex? So this is very easy question. You have to find it and write your answer. Next we move forward. Tom left home at 9:15 a.m. to go to work. He returned home at 7:45 p.m. What is the actual amount of time Tom was away from home? So 9:15 a.m. to 7:45 a.m. p.m. Sorry. So 9 after 9. So we calculate 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total we have 8 hours. Now we have to subtract 15 minutes and 45. So how can we subtract it? 15, 5, 5 and 10, 30 minutes. 8 hours, 30 minutes is away from home. This is one way to solve it, or we can try one more. So 19, 45, 9 minus 15. So 0, 3 and 10 hours, 30 minutes. 10 hours, 30 minutes is the correct answer. पहले वाली explanation को हटा देना. So 10 hours, 30 minutes, it's correct answer. After this, we have 15 minutes to 8 is same as 15 minutes to 8 is same as 8:15. This is the correct option. Which option is in descending order? Descending order means bigger to smaller. So 3, 2.9, 2.8, 16.5, 16.4, 16, 18. This would be in descending order if we start from this, like this. Okay. Which number completes the pattern? 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 81 we have 100. 5 5 is 25, 6 6 is 36, 7 7 is 49, 8 8 is 64, 9 9 is 81 and 10 10 is 100. How many meaningful words can be formed using the letters art? We can write art, rat, only 2. According to me, you can try, give it a try and find out if it is possible to make more words by using art or not. Celsius and Fahrenheit are two scales of measuring temperature. So this is your revision time, students. I hope so you recall your concepts one more time and you can easily solve this chapter. So students, this is the end of your chapter. I hope so you understood it very well, and this is the end of your syllabus as well. So what do I have to do now? You have to start your preparation for your exams. Now I'm going to meet you in your higher classes. Till that, bye bye. Have a good day. Take a good revision. All the best for your exams.